Regular and irregular preterito verbs. The definition of preterito is a verb that indicates an action that took place in the past and has been completed at a certain time. It is also used during single events or an event completed a specific number of times. The AR endings for preterito are E with an accent, aste, o, amos, astes, and eron. Preparar changes from preparo to prepare, preparas to preparaste, prepara to preparao. Preparamos stays the same in the nosotros form. Preparais to preparastes, and preparan to prepararan. ER and IR endings are the same. It's I with an accent mark, iste, eo with the O with an accent mark, emos, istes, and ieron. Comer changes from como to comi, comes to comiste, come to comio, comemos to comimos, comais to comistes, comen to comieron. Vivir changes from vivo to vivi, vives to viviste, vive to vivio, vivimos to vivimos, vivais to vivistes, and viven to vivieron. Spelling changes that occur in the yo form only are explicar to explique. The C changes from a C to a QU, pagar to pague, a G to a GU, almorzar to almorce, from a Z to a C. Some irregular verbs that are commonly used in the preterito tense are dar, decir, estar, hacer, tener, leer, oír, ser, and ver. Dar is di, diste, dio, dimos, distes, dieron. Ver is vi, viste, vio, vimos, vistes, vieron. Ser is fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, fuistes, and fueron. Leer goes to leí, leíste, leyó, leímos, leístes, and leyeron. Decir is dije, dijiste, dijo, dijimos, dijistes, and dijeron. Estar changes to estuve, estuviste, estuvo, estuvimos, estuvistes, and estuvieron. Oír is oí, oíste, oyo, oímos, oístes, and oyeron. Hacer is hice, hiciste, hizo, hicimos, hicisteis, and hicieron. Tener is tuve, tuviste, tuvo, tuvimos, tuvistes, and tuvieron. Sentir, dormir, and pedir are also irregular, but only in the tu and eos form. Sentir changes to senti, sentiste, sentio, sentimos, sentistes, and sentieron. Dormir changes to dormi, dormiste, dormio, dormimos, dormistes, and dormieron. Pedir changes to pedi, pediste, pedio, pedimos, pedistes, and pedieron. Here are some examples of preterito verbs used in sentences. A sentence that represents a single event in the preterito form is ella caminó por el parque, which translates to she walked through the park. A sentence for a specific number of times and a period of time is ayer escribí 3 cartas, which means yesterday I wrote 3 letters. Vivimos allí por 4 años, which means we lived there for 4 years. A sentence for the beginning or end of action is empezó a nevar a las 8 de la mañana. It means it began to snow at 8 in the morning. A sentence that represents chain events is ella se levantó, se vistió y salió de la casa, which translates to she got up, got dressed, and left the house.